Some promising news in the fight against cancer. Researchers may have found an important new treatment that has fewer side effects than chemotherapy. And the secret to treating these particular forms of skin and brain cancer may lie in the important process that helps embryos develop in the womb. GMA medical contributor Dr. Marie Savard is here. Oh, I've been looking forward to talking to you about this. This is quite encouraging, is it not?
It is. It's very interesting. I would caution people that, we're a long way off, but it looks at treating cancers in a whole different way. Chemotherapy, which is the usual way to treat cancer, kills all rapidly growing cells. So that means it not only kills the cancer cells, it can kill healthy cells as well, affecting the bone marrow, causing hair loss. This treatment actually targets a process. It's a pathway called the hedgehog pathway that is activated in certain cancer cells. And the treatment actually blocks that pathway so that the cancers cannot grow or spread.
Doesn't have as severe side effects as with traditional chemotherapy?
That's right. Side effects included fatigue, there was some muscle weakness, even low sodium, but not the bone marrow effects, which is so dangerous.
Well, let's talk a little bit more about this hedgehog process. It first takes place in the womb?
Yes, it's actually a healthy, normal process that in the embryo, it sort of orchestrates the cells going from a small fertilized egg to a fully developed human being. But then once you're an adult, those pathways are shut down. So what happens in a cancer cell, for some reason, especially in this case, it was the skin cancers that were studied and one unusual brain cancer, where the pathway is reactivated for some reason, perhaps a mutation occurs, and then the actual cells start to grow, divide, and have the potential for spreading.
And we have to caution people that this is still we're still a long process here. It's been a long process so far, but still a ways to go before we see this.
That's true. The Genentech, the company that makes this product, that's developed it, says that there are trials now in ovarian cancer and colorectal cancer, and we'll wait and see what those results are. And it may be that this drug would be used in combination, maybe with lower dose chemotherapy, but we need to find out what cancers it can work for, who is it best used for. But again, the idea that you could spare those side effects and just target the cancer cells is important, and that's really what we have to keep looking at, how to outsmart those cancer cells.
What excites you the most about this?
What excites me is that we've found a very smart mechanism in a cancer cell that a treatment can block and can kind of fool the cancer cell from growing, can kind of stop it dead in its tracks.
That is huge, Marie. Thanks. I want to talk to you more about this. And you can go to our website and send your health questions to Dr. Marie Savard at abcnews.com.